everybody, welcome back to German AutoHaus. Today we start work on this MP4 McLaren, and how you can feel this car is shaking, misfire code, some problem, and we have to remove this engine, replace cam phaser, cam adjuster, camshaft, cam follower, and many more things. Let's start, pull apart. Now the car is almost prepared before engine removal. We need to remove the one big bolt right there, and yeah, slowly going down. Successfully done. Now we need to pull all pipe. I think we keep the intake, we don't need it. We need to reassemble it, remove the valve cover, pipe, and get the access for the timing cover. I will remove the valve covers, and what we see here, just let's count. This is number one, rocker arm is broken. Can I have the flashlight, Pavel? Give me the flashlight. Number one, number two, something right there. Number three, deep inside the rocker arm, right there. Yep, one more rocker arm right there. On the bottom, 1, 2, 3. 3 on this side, and let's check the other side. Let's check. 1 on the bottom. Well, yeah, 1 on the bottom. This side looks like only 2 damaged. Well, and actually dirty engine oil. It's okay. Not okay, of course. Now we need to pull the timing off, remove the cam because I'm 100% sure they are worn actually, and then we planning to replace cam phaser. We have a new one. We need to replace the rocker arm. We have a with the DLC coating. We need to replace whole timing gear, and of course cam phaser. Okay, let's pull apart. Okay guys, here is the deal. We take off the cam, we take off the chain, we remove the oil pump. The problem, see, it's a 5, arm is broken, 3 on this side like I mentioned, and 2 on that side. Actually we can see right there, one of the arm is already, see, this like small pieces missing, and it's really worn right there. I mean, this one is still a little bit, it's okay, few scratches. Let's zoom. That one is worn. Like you can see, we miss 1. We already missed 5 shims. We found 3 of them. We found 2 inside here and inside cylinder head here, and 1 shim we found when we removed the oil pump. 2 another one. We have to figure out where is that. We need to take the magnet just to play inside the oil pan. Let's say oil pan. Maybe I did not see that inside. Not oil pan, this is the lower case, guys. Let's put this magnet inside. No. Nothing. Well, nothing. Anyway, we need to remove few more things and continue to research this. The worst case, we have to pull the lower case off, because these two shims we have to find them. We have a big kit of adjustment shims, the different sizes. This is no problem for us to install the new cams. And this is the old one. And see guys, this is how they are worn. This is the piece of the rocker arm. Sorry. We replace all rocker arm. I'm sorry. Here is the DLC coated hull kit for all 32 of them. We replace oil pump too, and of course camshaft. Here is, oh, by the way, the customer provide the pump, and this is the original one, no part number. He provide the pump. This pump, here is the part number. Let me show you. Here is the part number. Let me flip over. You can see first 2 digit, it's 13. It's mean from this 570 600. This is from the P13 chassis, and this is the 720 engine. Let me show you. The 720, it's a 4-liter engine. The pump is start with 14. See that? The 14 first. This is the mean. That pump, what he provide, it's updated, and I think it's better than P11. But his pump is still okay, because I didn't see any sign of the low oil pressure. We want to replace whole timing gear, timing chain, timing guide, everything. And yeah, but first we have to find these shims. Then we can start working. Also, he asked for replace hull cam spring, valve spring, sorry, and we need to replace. In this case, of course, it's way easier and, let's say, not that expensive, all valve steam seal, because you guys, if you remember, the McLaren have burning oil too. Okay, here is the update for this car. This is our plan for next week, for Pavel especially, because he work on this car. I have a little bit more different one. One more important things. I removed the valve and valve seal, and now I think the one shims. Can you help me please? I think one more shims right there inside this drain. See, I feel that one. If you see, this is stuck. If we go into other side, I already take off one shims from the sea. It's going deep inside. I make the special magnet, like glue it. Let's go try. I hope this is the last shims what we have to find. It's stuck. Okay, this side empty. Let's go check all around, right there and right there. Where is this one small?
Let's go to other side. This side we are clean. Can I have a flashlight? Okay. This one. Oh! I feel something. I catch something. I think. Hey, ta-da! Found it. Whew, I glad we found the last shims. Now we can assemble it, everything back, and also I'm really happy. The last, and see guys, here is the example how it looks. Valve guide seal. I wanna zoom. See, this is Pavel, can you hold for me please? This is the two, yeah, this camera please. Yeah, this is the two valve guide seal, and here is the new one. And I'm sure guys you can see the difference, how is the different looks. See, new, used. See how is different. And this is mean, this is why it's smoke came from exhaust. This is why we have a oil consumption. The car is 2013. It's about 11 years now, and it makes sense to replace, always makes sense to replace valve guide seal. Okay, now we proceed. We start to replace all valve guide seal. I already done on this side one, and I wanna go to replace the other 31, sorry. Little update about this McLaren. This side is already done. I worked today in the morning time, replace it, adjust it, clearance, everything is done. Timing almost set, and now I'm work with the other side. Pavel today morning finished this side. He replaced the valve guide seal and he installed the new spring, the valve spring. I just work with the rocker arm module, and that one module is broken. You can see crack right there from this one. Yeah, it's a crack. I wanna leave this. I have a spare module. Here is the old arm. See, you actually can see from the video, from that picture, how it's worn, that one. And I think I have some few more really broken. I think this one. So these are all of them is worn and need to be replaced. Okay, let's replace the arm. Actually, like I mentioned before, this arm is DLC coated. Let's replace this. We take the pin out with the magnet. One more pin. Come on, this is like needed. Gently. The magnet is not strong enough. Oh, this one is better. Okay. Trash. This is already broken. Trash. Trash. Okay. New arm. in. That one is in also. In. And the last one. Okay. Clean before installation. Okay, this is good. Bolt and pins. Okay. I'm gonna clean this surface before installation. I installed the shims 2.8 and that one 2.9 on intake. This is just like I calibrate a little bit. I have so many of them. It's like it's a big kit. I collect from the time, from the engines. Okay. I installed 2.8, 2.9. Here is the last arm module. Okay. Just pre-torque. One. Oops. Two. Three. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Done. Now it's a big game with the adjustment. It takes a little bit time, but we have to do this. First we need to lubricate. It's a high viscosity loop and whether now we do have to camshaft exhaust right, intake right. Here is the identification for camshaft and exactly same identification for the cam variator. You can see right here left exhaust, right here, sorry, right intake. I mean, just like this is the simple. You physically you can mess them because everything is marks and you have to install the right place. Okay, let's install the camshaft. Flywheel finishing. Calibration for the shims. We saw many of them, and actually we done with adjustment. Here is the clearance, guys. If somebody wanna keep this picture, remember that this is the clearance, adjustment clearance for intake and for the exhaust. And let's just choose some. We have right there exhaust 170.17.20 0.17. Hop. And then next one 0.203. Nice. Nice. And the next one, 229. No. Complete no. This done. Now I need to install the cam phaser and do quickly assemble everything back.
Engine is already assembled, our hardware connected, everything looks almost done, and now I have to remove transmission to replace the flywheel, because here is the flywheel, original one with the spring, and I need to install the new one, upgraded version. Everything I prepared before, removing, and let's pull transmission out. Yeah, it's not that bad. I mean, just a little bit worn right there. But anyway, it's time for replace. Here is how it looks, original one, and here is the upgraded version. Let me take this. Here is the part number, and this is the upgraded version. Okay, now just replace, install back, and prepare before installation back everything. The new flywheel already in, I clean it, now it looks good. And last things before installation, here is the gasket. That's not a gasket, let's say this is the O-ring. I need to remove and install new one. Okay, time to install everything back. Engine is ready, assembled, and now we need to install the engine back. New flywheel, fluids, filters right there, new, ready for installation. Engine and transmission is already in. I will adjust the bolt, that transmission mount, and then we can tie the long bolt. And slowly, hope we finish this tomorrow. Okay, we need to install the air brake spoiler line. Here's the line right there, and then we do perform the test after we install, after we fire up, after we fill all fluids. We do adaptation for everything. Today is the day. Engine is already in. We not finished full assembled yet. We not fill the coolant because we need to fire up. We just fill engine oil, transmission, clutch. That's it. This is what we need for now. Fire up, check how is the car running, then shut down and finish installation. Okay, cross my finger. Let's fire up. Okay. Nice. Coolant, we fill the coolant. replaced the AC system, and now its car is running. Now it's really healthy sound. No misfires. See how is the engine running. Need to reset the trouble code and then assemble everything back. And so far so good. I hope tomorrow we everything assembled back and take this car to test drive. Calibration for the air brake is done. Car is running. We need to install few more things like a fender liner.
Test drive is perfectly fine, no issue. Car is powerful, but we have a problem with the cold start. Check this out. Actual value of this is the request, and here is the actual. It's about the same from the request degree. It's about the same. I will connect the official tools and check too, but should be the same. And here is the what official tools shows. This is the command, actual 3232. The left command 3232. Just a little bit up and down swinging. The timing looks okay for me, but something not right with the cold start. Here is your car. Here is the special procedure for cold start adaptation from McLaren, but we're not able to do at our location because it's need to drive this car at high gear at low RPM after cold start, and owner did by himself. And here is the video after this adaptation.